I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Umbreon. So in your craft packet, you will have a headband with some pipe cleaners hot glued on. You will also have 4 little yellow strips of felt and 2 big black pieces of felt, and I will show you how to put this together. Now, to make our Umbreon headband, we're going to take one of our black felt strips. We're going to put it underneath the headband so that the pipe cleaners are right around the inside of the earpiece. Then we're going to take our black earpiece and fold it up and over so that it covers up the pipe cleaner on this side. And if we need to do a little adjusting, we can. You can scoot the back down a little bit, which will give you more space in the front to make sure that's covered up. And then once we have the spacing pretty good, then we can take some glue. I'm going to use tacky glue, but you can also use hot glue. But if you do use hot glue, be very careful. I'm going to trace the little outline of where our pipe cleaner will go and then press it down into the glue. Now, here, if you are using hot glue, you have to be extremely careful because you do not want to get hot glue on your fingers. And I'm going to be getting a little bit of tacky glue on my fingers by pressing this down. So if you do hot glue, make sure you do not press this down with your finger. Use a pencil or something else. Then, as you can see, it wants to pop up, which is all right, but we're going to put some more glue on the top side of the pipe cleaner and also a little bit on this edge of the headband where the felt is going to move around, and you might put a little in the center of the ear and maybe just a tad on the tip. Then we'll go ahead and wrap this felt back around and then press that second side down. So if you're using tacky glue, you may also need to use some paper clips or some form of little clip to be able to hold the ears together while the glue dries. And you can put it wherever it's trying to pop up, but I am going to stick one on each side of the bottom and one at the top, and that should help keep the center down as well. So we'll do the same thing for the other ear. Once we have both ears glued together and we are letting them dry, we can take our yellow strips and we're just going to lay them right across about the center or just above center of the black ear, and do this on each side. And then we'll flip it over and add the same yellow strips to the back in the same places. And then we just have to let our ears dry. But once our ears are all dry, then bum, 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 we can be Umbreon. I would love to see your completed Umbreon headbands. If you would like to stop by the library and show them to us, or if you would like to share a picture in the comments, you're welcome to do that as well. This was our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye!